Welcome back, everybody. This is Unit 5, Design Thinking, Lesson 5 and 6. Perfect? Nothing is perfect in this life. Nothing is perfect. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is perfect. A process. يعني مثلا لما بنيجي بنكتب أي paragraph أو essay عندنا حاجة اسمها process writing. البروسيس writing إنك number one you start with brainstorming ideas بعد كده بتعمل organizing your ideas first draft بعد كده بتعمل revising بتراجع و editing وآخر حاجة publishing. Make sense. لازم تتأكد إن your sentences make sense. أنت بتكتب وأنت بتفكر بالعربي الجمل بتاعتك will make sense لأنك أنت بتترجمها في دماغك يعني. لكن في الإنجليش أنا عايزك تقراها from يعني an English perspective. Make sure that your sentences make sense. Come up with معناها suggest. Sagda usually comes up with great ideas. Steps. You need to follow the steps of writing. ما تقوليش أنا هكتب على طول هيبقى في مشكلة. You need to follow the steps of writing. Improve. The more you write, the more you improve your writing skills. Yemen, can you read lesson 1 vocabulary? Our key vocabulary.
Nothing perfect. Process right. Your sentence makes sense. Come up with suggest. Follow steps. Improve skills.
Okay, improve your skills. Creative writing. الكتابة الإبداعية like writing a novel, a story. Simple questions. Model like model answer نموذج الإجابة. Design thinking. Useful for. Summarize your ideas. لو أنت هتكتب essay هدف الفاينل paragraph إنك to summarize your ideas one more time. Prototype احنا قلنا first model of something. Flow. Denial. Okay. Flow fast. In the flow of ideas برضو ممكن الأفكار في دماغك to flow naturally. Series like TV series for example. Achieve your goals logically. Think logically or logic thinking. Invent. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Light bulb. اقفل المايك يا عبد الله. Ideal. He usually comes up with ideal answers. Okay, ideal. Read يا ريماس. Lesson 5.
Creative writing, simple questions, model answer, design thinking, useful for, summarize ideas, prototype, follow ideas, naturally, TV series, achieve goals, think logically, invent light bulb, ideal answers.
Okay, ideal answers. Include. طبعا our classes includes sending homework or doing homework. Colorful clothes. Some people like wearing colorful clothes. A reminder chart. زي بتعمل chart كده بتخليك to remember your goals. Feedback, to give somebody feedback. Print, space, hesitate. If you have any questions, never hesitate to ask me. Trust yourself. Trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Effort, okay. Effort, what you're doing, okay. Make efforts. Make efforts. Read كده يا آلاء.
Include doing, colorful cloth, reminder chart, give feedback, print, space, never hesitate, trust yourself, make effort.
Yeah, make efforts to pass the exams. طيب page number 220. جنات, the synonym of perfect. جنات,
Ideal.
the synonym of perfect is
Ideal.
ideal. Okay. جنات 2. جنات number 2.
Ad- 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 ad-
Ziad number 2.
The suffix proto in prototype means first.
So this is first. 3
The,
Ziad.
the verb act can be adjective by adding the suffix um, uh, ive.
Active, yeah.
Pregnancy,
Active.
enjoyment, and boredom are antonyms.
So enjoyment and boredom are antonyms. طب وممكن تبقى opposites. ف A and B. شاهد عصام.
The suffix ly in closely makes it a or an adjective.
Okay, so closely. No, it's not an adjective. ly. Close is an adjective. Closely is an adverb. We usually say look. Look closely at something. Look closely. Um, um, page number 226. Lucy.
Design thinking is where you improve your prototype many times.
Design thinking is
Printer
printer. Impossible.
process.
Process. This is a process. عملية. Process where you improve your prototype many times. Number 2 يا لوجي.
It's important to keep your design
So it is important to keep your design practical
practical.
and useful. 3 Yemen.
After you test the prototype, you can fix it
After you
and make it
test, not after you test the prototype, you can make it better. Fix Yemen 4. Before you make a decision, should consider the problem and every point of
process.
nope. احنا خدناها بي او في بتبقى مكتوبة على الفيديوز بتاعت الانستجرام. بي او في. What is بي او في?
View
بي او في. بي او في point of view. Point of view. Okay, Noor, you might make something greedy.
هتبقى perfect.
Yeah, but this is something really perfect if you follow the design thinking steps. Perfect?
أنا قلت perfect.
But no, you might make something really perfect if you follow. Okay. 6.
Magdi learned that A is the first prototype.
And the first prototype is not perfect. Still a simple model. Okay. Number 7. Rimas Ahmed. To
To
keep
keep talking, to
huh?
keep the talk flowing, we ask questions like, what's next?
Yeah, you ask questions like what's next?
It's important to find a solution to every problem.
Solution to every problem. Good. Shahad Assam means to give a brief statement of the main points. Shahad. Tia.
To summarize means to give a brief statement of the main points.
Summarize. 10.
If something is practical, it's concerned with factual situations rather than ideas.
Factual situations. Okay. Abdullah Ali. 10.
The word process refers to a series of steps taken naturally with an end.
Okay, so process here, steps. Process, steps. 12, ya Abdullah.
Improve something mean to make it better.
Yeah, to make it better. Good job, ya Abdullah. To make something better. Ala, 13.
A series of actions or steps taken in order to achieve a practical end is a process.
Process. Process. 14.
To mend or repair something is to fix it.
To fix it. Perfect. 15. Okay, 15. Ziyad Tamer.
A difficulty or a problem that needs to be overcome is a challenge.
A challenge. 16.
When you improve your prototype many times, it mm, makes sense.
It makes sense. 17.
You should improving your prototype.
Keep improving. Okay. طبعا pages هتبقى 228. Homework. 229. And 230. Okay. معهد test. 233. 234. 35. 234, 235. Thank you very much.